In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a copy of a table to another base in Airtable. This process is quite straightforward and can be incredibly useful when you want to share your data with different teams or projects without having to recreate everything from scratch. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the Airtable base that contains the table you'd like to move. Open your web browser, head to Airtable, and select the appropriate base. Once you're in, locate the specific view of the table that you want to download. The view is important because it determines what data and fields are included in your table copy. Click on the view to ensure it's the one you want to work with. Next, it's time to download your table as a CSV file. Look for the option to download, which is often found in the interface as Download CSV. Clicking this will export your table data in a CSV format, which is a widely accepted file type that makes importing into another base simple and efficient. Once the download is complete, return to the Airtable home screen. You can do this by clicking on Home or using the navigation menu. Now, it's time to select the base where you want to transfer your table. If you're creating a new base for this purpose, ensure you have it ready. Otherwise, click on the existing base where you want the table to reside. On the new base's interface, you'll see an option to add or import. This is where you'll bring in the data you've just exported. Click on Add or Import, and from the options presented, select CSV file. This will prompt you to upload the file you just downloaded. Finally, upload your CSV file. Find the location on your computer where the file was saved, select it, and then upload it to Airtable. Airtable will then process the file and create a new table within the chosen base, complete with all the data and fields from the original table. And there you have it. You've successfully moved a copy of your table to another base in Airtable. This method is efficient and ensures that your data is transferred accurately and without any hassle. Remember, this process can be a real time saver for teams that need to work across multiple projects or collaborate across different departments. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!